Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have Tracy in today and she come in for a redesign. So we removed all of her previous set back down to the clear layer, done all the prep, and now we're going in with our design. So Tracy brought in a picture that she found, but there was no watermark on it. We looked everywhere for a tiny little watermark because mine are so small, but we couldn't find it anywhere. So who did them, I don't know, but they were a little bit different. Anyway, so this colour is pumpkin. I'm just gonna say pumpkin, but I might be wrong, so be sure to check out the description box just in case, because I'm usually wrong. So we're going to do 2 full nails of this colour on her baby, her ring finger and her thumb. I'm using my size 12 brush to do this, even though they were really small. I should have used my 10, but my size 12 was fine. Still, excuse my nails. I've actually done them. I've actually done my nails. They've only got gel, but my nails are done. So hopefully the next video you see, they haven't been picked off, but I can't guarantee it because you know me. Anyway, yeah, so full nails on these 3, full colour on these 3 nails. I'll let you watch and I'll be back. So I also just capped them now because we're going to come in with some glitter, and I like to just, when I've got plain ones and I know I'm coming in with glitter, I just like to get them ones done, otherwise you risk getting that little speck of glitter and it just ruins your whole set, your whole day, your whole week. Because once it's in, unless you get it out or it's just slightly on the surface, you ain't getting that out without ruining the work you've just done. So anyway, so now we're coming in with Black Magic, and we're just going to put that at the tip and blend it back. I'm going to do it on both of these. So it was kind of, the picture that we saw, it was kind of glittery, but at the tip it looked just darker. So we decided, I don't know if that's how they did it, they might have used a different colour glitter, but we decided to go for it this way, and it looked fine in the end. So yeah, just building up the colour here. How is everyone? Did everyone have a lovely Halloween? We've just got back from Haven. I we was meant to go Friday till Monday, but we left at 12 p.m. Sunday today. We get so homesick, it's ridiculous. But anyway, I was going to let Emmy have a school day off school tomorrow, but she's going in. Get that girl in school. So now we're going to come in. Once we've done that, I'm just going to put a wash of that orangey colour. Oh, we're just getting the glitter ready. So I mixed this glitter there and then on the spot with Tracy. So yeah, just a wash down as a back colour. You know I like to do that with any glitter really. And then we're going in with this glitter. So I mixed it myself. So we used Dirty Money and pumpkin. I can't remember what it's called. Pumpkin. I think it might be just pumpkin from my website. Sorry, it's I can't remember what it was. I think it is just pumpkin, or it might be called pumpkin spice. I should know because they're mine, but I don't. You forget I think I counted all my glitter stuff, and I think I have 60, or it might even be 70 different named glitters. So it does get a bit confusing. But it's pumpkin something. Just pumpkin plain or pumpkin spice. So yeah, we're just going to bring that all the way down to the tip, and then I wanted most of the chunky glitter at the back there, and then I wanted just the fine glitter for the tip here. So I just got the lid, and I was just dipping into my brush with nothing on it and just patting it on the tip there, because I did only want the little tiny specks. I didn't want any chunky at the tip. So yeah, and that's it. And then you can kind of just see like a slight gradual fade going into dark. Thought it looked pretty cute. So yeah, I'm just going to do that on both of these nails. I'll cap them and then I'll be back. So again, I'm really sorry I didn't record filing. I promise I will definitely get one up ASAP for you lot. So done all that off camera, buffed, filed, shaped, removed the dust, and now it's time for top coat. So this is the Premier Gel Top Gloss or top coat, I don't know what they call it. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. I applied my Christmassy cinnamon oil from NAFF Stuff, and we are good to go. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Just a real simple set, but I'd just like to get some up that I think you may like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.